If I told you that you were given two of the greatest gifts in the world, would you believe me? You may not see them. You may not hold them in your hands. But you have them. And they are more valuable than gold, more powerful than anything money can buy. These gifts are your mind and your time. The question is, what are you doing with them? Because how you use your mind shapes your reality. And how you use your time shapes your destiny. Your mind is a powerful thing. It can build, create, solve, and imagine. But it can also doubt, destroy, and limit. I once met a man who had everything: talent, opportunities, intelligence, but he never believed in himself. His own mind became his greatest obstacle. Every time he had a chance to grow, he told himself, "I'm not good enough. What if I fail? What will people think?" And so, he stayed where he was, never reaching his potential. Then I met another man. He had little education, no special advantages, but he believed in himself. He told himself, "I can learn. I can grow. I can become more." And step by step, he built a life that once seemed impossible. You see, your mind is like a garden. If you plant seeds of doubt, fear, and negativity, they will grow and take over. But if you plant seeds of wisdom, confidence, and curiosity, your life will bloom. What kind of garden are you growing? Time is different from everything else you own. You can lose money and earn it back. You can break something and repair it. But time, once it's gone forever. I once asked an elderly man what his greatest regret was. He didn't say it was the money he lost or the mistakes he made. He said, "I regret all the time I wasted on things that didn't matter." Think about that. How much time have you spent worrying about things outside your control? How many hours have you lost on distractions that added nothing to your life? How many days have slipped by while you told yourself, "I'll start tomorrow"? Time is a currency. Every day, you spend it. The question is, are you spending it wisely? If you want to make the most of these two gifts, you must learn to control them. Here's how. 1. Guard your mind like a treasure. Choose what you feed it. Fill it with knowledge, positivity, and wisdom. Challenge negative thoughts. Ask yourself, is this true? Or is this just fear speaking? Surround yourself with people who inspire and uplift you. Your environment shapes your thoughts. 2. Treat your time like gold. Stop wasting time on things that don't add value to your life. Set clear goals. A life without direction is a life wasted. Prioritize what truly matters: your growth, your loved ones, your purpose. I once knew a woman who spent years waiting for the right time to follow her dreams. One day, she woke up and realized, time doesn't wait. So she started. And in the years she had left, she accomplished more than she ever thought possible. What are you waiting for? Every day, you wake up with two things in your hands: your mind and your time. You can use your mind to grow or to limit yourself. You can use your time wisely or waste it on things that don't matter. No one can make that choice for you. Only you can decide. So ask yourself, am I using my mind to build or to hold myself back? Am I using my time to create a life I'm proud of? Because one day, you will look back. And when you do, I hope you can say, I used my gifts well. So, my friend, here's my challenge to you. Take one step today. Just one. Learn something new. Take action on a goal you've been putting off. Let go of a thought that's been holding you back. Your mind and your time are in your hands. Make them count. If this message spoke to you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs to hear it. And if you want to walk this journey of wisdom and growth with me, subscribe to this channel. Let's continue seeking truth, peace, and purpose together. Until next time, take care and use your gifts wisely.